Hello traders, welcome to Price Action Real Traders. Today I'm going to show you how to trade with engulfing zone trading strategy. So this is part 6 video on how to trade with engulfing zone trading strategy. So this strategy, as I have told you, is included inside my ebook. You see, here is engulfing zone, you see strong candle, because here is engulfing and the market close at the zone. Then I place my trade put option here. So let's see. Here is another zone. You see rejection. You see rejection. See, this is winning trade. But I know this market is trying to reverse. Let's see. Let us wait. See, market is trying to reverse, but you see sellers entry. And you see market has rejected from this zone. You see still bias, weak bias. I will still wait. So let's wait and see what will happen. You see here, this is the zone. You see rejection. This is the zone. Yes, I place call option because market close at this zone. So I know definitely buyers must enter here, because you see here, this is engulfing. Market close at this, then you should expect buyers to enter. That's why I place my trade call option. Let's see. Market is doing panic, but I know definitely buyers must enter at this level. At this zone, buyers must enter. You see buyers entry at this zone, very weak buyers. So I will wait for the next candle here. I will wait. We are still at the zone. See strong engulfing zone area. see gap up, so I will wait because of this gap, and you see rejection from this level. So let's wait and see. Let's wait for the next candle. Because of gap up, you see here is engulfing area. We are still at the zone. I'll place call option because we are still at the zone, engulfing zone area. So I know definitely buyers must enter because of this zone is very strong. So I know definitely buyers must enter. So that's why I place my trade. Market is doing panic, but I know it must give me winning trade. So let's see. We have 15 seconds. See buyer's entry. You see buyer's entry. You see this is winning trade because this zone is very strong. You see this engulfing. Market close. You see reverse. Market close, reverse because of this zone. So let's check another one. You see here we are still at the zone. So let's wait for the next candle to see what will happen. See rejection. So you see rejection. You see market reject. Here is another zone. Engulfing. See rejection. Here is engulfing. I'll place put option. Yes, I place my trade put option here because you see rejection. This is engulfing zone. This is another engulfing zone. Then I see rejection here. So that's why I place my trade put option here because I know definitely this zone is strong. So market must close below my entry point. So that's why I place my trade put option. Market is doing panic, but I know it must give me winning trade at this zone. You see this is very strong. You see here is engulfing, here is engulfing. So market reject from this, touch this zone, I reject, then I place my trade put option here. So this is the end of this video. I took total 4 trades based on engulfing zone trading strategy, and I use all the trades in one pair because of this strong zone. You see here the first trade here. You see this is the first trade. You see here this is green candle, then this 3 candle engulf the green candle, and the whole area from the wick of this green candle to the bottom of this green candle is engulfing zone here. Then you see market third zone I reject, then create another one more candle, then I know it will reverse. I place my trade put option here. You see this is winning trade. So then the next trade, maybe this one, yeah, this one, yes. Next trade is this one, this trade here. So let me show you here. After this trade, then you see engulfing here. This 3 candle engulf this red candle. Then the whole area here from the wick of this red candle to the top is the engulfing zone here. Then you see rejection here. Then market come back and close at the zone. Then I place my trade call option here. Even though I'm expecting strong bias, but no strong bias. So it's still winning trade with green candle, green wick candle. So that's why I place my trade call option here. Then the next trade here, you see, after this trade I wait for 2 candles here. I wanted to place my trade at this candle, but I see gap up. I leave it because still here this is the zone. You see market close at the zone or reverse. Market still close at the zone. You should expect market to reverse, but this candle gap up. Then I wait for this candle to finish. When this candle finish, then I place my trade call option here, because the whole area here is the zone, as I have told you. So that's why I place my trade call option. You see this is winning trade. So this is the last trade here. The last trade here, what I can see here, you see here, this is engulfing. This is another engulfing. And this is another engulfing. So the whole area here is the zone. The whole area here is the zone. So when market reject from the zone, you see, and close below the zone, then I place my trade here with marginal of safety. You see, this is winning trade, and you can place your trade here, but because of this gap down, you see gap down here, so you should not place trade. But you see here market reverse. After a little bit breakout, market reverse. So this is the way that you will use this strategy. This strategy is very, very simple. I have explained it in detail inside the ebook. Ebook has many strategies inside. So after I finish this engulfing zone strategy, I will do another playlist, another strategy. So it has almost 7, maybe 7 strategy or more than that in the ebook. So here is the first strategy, engulfing zone. I did 6 video. I will try to do like 10 videos so that everybody will understand before the ebook is out. We'll have everybody should have at least good understanding before the ebook is has been finished. Then it will easily be understand for you. So that's why I'm creating this video. After I have finished this one, I will start doing another strategy which is included inside the ebook. So if you like my video, please like it, share, comment. So I will say thank you, bye bye.